a heavy load. It is air tow. Loan us this trailer. This is a special trailer for motorcycles and smaller vehicles, and obviously toolboxes. As you guys do see here, 2 bolts, really nice toolbox. It's my brother's. We're just moving the toolbox somewhere else. The way this thing works is you basically have a hydraulic system. You got a battery there, hydraulic pump, and then you have an up and down button here. We'll just demonstrate that in a second. You do have other components here. Everything's stored in the toolbox. Obviously this is a rental, a little bit overkill for this toolbox. You can easily do it with some smaller straps, but something that this thing's pretty heavy, pretty solid. I would say about 1,000 pounds. This trailer is rated for 3,000 pounds from my understandings, or from what it says here on the side. But yeah, this box is completely full. It's full with tools, and you guys know tools do weigh a lot. Plus this box. Lock the drawers. That's the first thing you're gonna do. You're gonna try to remove as much weight from the inside as much as possible, and then before you put it on the, or after you put it, roll it on the trailer, you do have to put all the brakes on. So this does have, these casters do have brakes. So all the 4 casters on this toolbox do have brakes. That's a plus. And obviously on places like this where it's going to touch the paint, you might want to put the straps, something between the strap and the toolbox. Here's the ratings for this trailer. It's rated for 3,200 pound, or 3,200 pounds basically. And this is the channel where it goes up and down. So as you guys do see, it goes up in an angle. It doesn't go straight up. So it goes up into an angle towards the back when it goes down. This is the other channel here. It goes up and down into this beam here. It's hollow on the inside. See if I can get you guys a better picture. So you guys do see right there, that's the wheel itself, where that's the channel where it goes down. Same thing with the other side. Now here's the other one.
Yeah, there's a lock, the safety lock. So gotta go up a little bit, move it, go back down.
Alright, so that's what it looks like, guys. Obviously the brakes, you have to release them, and then you can put it down. And obviously you want to put some cushion here for your toolbox so it doesn't scratch. That's the way it looks. It's actually all the way to the ground. So you guys do see. And that is the hook he was talking about. It locks right there. Let's turn it on.
It's already on. See this pin right here? So as soon as it goes up,
and then just go down.
Yeah,
lock it.
It's locked.
Locked in.
Lock it in place.